What's up guys? Today we are finally installing my new FD RX-7 wheels on my beautiful Mazdaspeed 6. Alright Jack, lift her up. Alright, let's put these babies on. Alright guys, we got the old wheel right here. This is the ESR. We got the new one, FD right here. As you can see, it's barely shorter, and also it is a little bit, well, they're actually probably the same amount of wideness as you look right here. This one has a tiny bit of stretch, so it's actually probably about the same level of grip. These are a way nicer tire though, so I think we'll be good with this new setup.
We're trading width for a little weight savings,
That's
sir.
That's right, a lot of weight savings.
Heck yeah.
All right guys, these are the wheel spacers that I went with. They're 25 millimeter or 1 inch. They're pretty thick, but it's not insane. I've heard a lot of people running this size of spacer, so it should be good. This is the box they came in. We'll do a quick unboxing for you guys. Straight from Amazon. I think I paid about $100 for this whole set, something like that.
Fairly nice.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Now let's install these babies on the car. All right, we got these spacers. They are hub centric, which means they're gonna go right over this, and they should centralize perfectly. Oh yeah, that's nice. So these lugs are gonna have to go on the actual studs because they're designed to be a little bit more low profile. And it will protect your studs, right Jack? Kinda. You won't have to take them on and off, hopefully a lot.
As long as we torque them down.
Yep. Do you know proper specs, or we're just doing about?
Proper is probably about 85, but
Yep.
I usually
do 89.
I usually do 100.
Oh, okay. That might be over a little bit. I feel like 90 foot-pounds would be about max what you want on your wheel.
Yeah.
Because over, what happens is when the shop just decides to impact the crap out of your wheels, they're like, oh, let's be extra safe and impact them. Then your studs get all effed like mine and the threads get destroyed, but at least your wheels don't fall off.
Yep.
So that's good.
That's the goal.
Mm-hmm.
Do the fronts now.
Yep. All right. Oh no! Back doing the torque wrench. We decided 89 foot-pounds. Yes. Ooh.
Now the problem child.
Oh, not bad. Looks good. What do you think of the quality of those spacers?
I mean, they don't look bad.
We'll find out when we start driving it.
Yeah.
Nice.
I put spacers on mine, they work fine.
Yep.
I guess if you get an alignment after.
Yeah, for sure, in alignment, that'll help. Also, these spacers are pretty lightweight, and these wheels are, of course, super lightweight, so hopefully the spacer isn't gonna add her. Yep. Only add like a ½ pound or so. Let's put the wheels on and see how it looks. All right, let's get this new meat. Last lug. Impact time. I like to hand tighten all of it to be extra safe so that one stud doesn't get destroyed like it did before. How are you looking on fitment? Is it gonna be horrible or it's not terrible yet? Think about it, that's with a little bit of camber, still is cambered, and I don't know.
Yep.
All right guys, so we got the back wheel on. Now we got to get the rest of them. We're gonna do a quick time lapse on all of them and get them done, and then we'll show you as we're dropping the car down.
No matter what, it's just gonna happen. They're aluminum. And she's up. Tires are fresh yet.
Oh boy.
Stock block baby never blew up on me.
For reals though. Not just conservative power, it's been
Max.
abused.
Mm-hmm.
It just
I wouldn't
takes
say
it.
Abused, I would say driven hard.
Extremely hard.
Yeah, extremely hard would be a good.
Foot doctor.
Mm-hmm. New lugs actually feel so good. That is nice. What do you think about black and red? Also, commenters down below, what do you think of the red? I will change it eventually. I have a guy, shout out to EP Artem, he can powder coat anything. Probably powder coat on black eventually just because that's more sleek, but what do you guys think of the red? Is it horrible? Is it actually kind of good? I'm kind of a fan. I think it's gonna be unique for sure. I'll probably get tired of it though.
I think people are just gonna ask you what kind of times you run down the strip. That's
Yeah.
what it looks like.
I like that. Oh yeah, I run easily 8 seconds. Just being conservative though. That's on my base map tune. If I was on a full tune, I'd probably be running 7s, you know?
Oh yeah.
At least, like, those Corvettes can't even handle me, dude. Cletus, where are you at, bro? We're about to lower this baby down.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's see this.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Okay. Okay. I could dig that. I could dig that. Ugh. Definitely might need some type of spacer situation. But it looks low. Way too little spacer jack or what? Don't even start easy. Like there's nothing. But if you look at my intercooler piping, it's dog shit. Yeah. I made it out. Alright. Alright boys, the new wheels are on finally. I'm super excited to get the car running, but as you guys know, I'm not gonna be driving the car because right here I have my freshly built new engine. Now that's the short block to my new engine and I will have a video on that, but unfortunately the car does run. I just don't want to drive it right now because I'm still waiting for that. I'd rather just get it done perfectly and, you know, get the horsepower goal that I want before I get it driving, especially since I do have my bike. What's up, dude? But yeah, so I'm going to be driving it soon and I'll get you guys a clip, but I hope you guys like the wheels. I'll get some little edits for the outro. But with this wheel right here, I have 2 spacers on it. I have 2 25mm or a 2-inch spacer. That's why this fitment looks the best, because I use the full 2-inch spacer. Now I'm probably gonna have to get a 1.5-inch spacer to make it perfect. You're also not supposed to double stack spacers, so I wouldn't want to drive on that. But as you can see, this one is a little bit sunken in. Now, one thing you guys will have to know is that for the caliper, you have to shave your caliper, your brake caliper, I mean. You have to shave it down a lot because it is in the way of these FD wheels because they're 16-inch wheels. So make sure you check and make sure they fit before you put them on. In my case, I shaved my calipers a whole bunch, but they do fit and they will work. You just have to be careful of that. Also, you might have to run a really big spacer like I did, but I'll definitely get a driving clip and then I'll update you guys with how everything feels, if it handles better, if it feels more lightweight. And then of course with this beautiful short block right here, as you can see, I've got the actual engine itself built. I just need to put the head on and everything, so that video will be coming out very, very soon. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching today's install. Thank you to Jack for helping me, of course, but don't worry, we'll get more videos. Stay tuned. I'll catch you guys next time.